Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm creating a video on how you can use Trello for your project management. Trello is basically a project management tool that you can use to manage your team members, use to organize a project. You can use it to assign tasks. You can also use it to assign tasks to your project members, your team members, and follow through the process, the progress of the project. You can also use Trello to monitor your projects and also assign tasks, which I've mentioned earlier. So that's basically what Trello is all about. What I know about Trello is that Trello is free to use. With their free plan, you can get the best out of Trello. Also, Trello is very, very easy to use and user-friendly. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to look at is to go to Trello.com. Just go to Trello.com. You have a dashboard like this. So you can log in if you don't have an account. So I'm going to show you a process you can use to create an account. Go to Trello.com, you have something like this. Then click on create an account. Once you click on create an account, you can use your name or just do continue with Google. I have this email address. Just choose one of your email address. I'm choosing this email address. Then click on create account. Once you click on create account, once you click on create account, click on go to your board here. So let's put the email address, sign up for free. Click on sign up. Continue. Then you pop in your password into Trello and you click on login. Let's just click on this, do this. So once you are in like this, you have something like this. So it's saying, welcome to Trello. We are glad you made it. Let's start organizing your projects so you can get things done. At this point, click on skip. For me, I'll click on skip. It's telling me invite your team. Like I said earlier, Trello will allow you to invite team members, assign tasks to them, and monitor their activities as they do the tasks. You can set deadlines for them and all sorts of things. So at this point, I'm not going to invite any team member. I'm going to skip this. So they said, try Trello Premium free for 30 days. I'm not going to use any premium from now. I'm going to skip it because it might tell me to add my card. So we are inside Trello. This is the dashboard. This is Trello dashboard, basically. So first thing first, I want you to understand that there are two basic things you need to understand in Trello when you are using it to do project management and assign tasks. The first thing is to understand cards. These are cards. These are cards. Cards means adding tasks. Can you see? Let's say project, website design project, web design projects. Then you add card. So that is card. Card is basically what you create on Trello to assign tasks. You use it to create a task, assign the task to team members, give description to the task. That is cards. And cards usually fall under a list. A list is a a progress that you set or a milestone. You use a list to create a milestone or a progress to track your project success. So this to-do that you can see here is called a list. That's why they said add another list. This doing is called a list on Trello. This done is called a list on Trello. But what I want you to understand is card is usually inside a list. So if I create another list here now, and I'll name it done part 2. Part 2, for instance, can you see we now have 4 lists here? Then I can even add a card inside it. So a card is what you use to assign projects. You use to create projects, create a task, assign tasks, invite your team members. Why? What I want you to understand is that a card is inside a list in Trello. So let's delete this. Let's delete this. You can just archive this. You can just archive this. It's that simple. So before we move to creating projects, I believe you understand what I just explained here. So before we move to creating projects or creating tasks, inviting your team members, and all sorts of things, you can customize this board to your taste. So for you to customize it, you can go to this place, then you just click on these 3 dots here. You can change the background here. Just change the background. If you want to change the background here, you can change the background to colors. Let's say pictures. Once you change it to pictures, can you see we now have pictures here right now? You can change this to colors. If you don't want pictures, you can pick any colors that you like and put it there. So, but I believe I like that background I saw earlier. So that's how you can do that. So it's that easy. You can do custom field, automation, power-ups, labels, stickers, and all. So they said make a template. For you to do this, you have to upgrade your accounts, which I'm not covering in this video. You can also do this. You can also do this. So you can change this, which I've explained earlier, custom field. If you want to add any custom field and all, but most of all these things here are paid. So you have to. So also at this point here, you can add a description to your board. Just about this board, add a description to your board so that anybody coming to this board, just click on it here and click on this board is set up to manage the website design projects, assign tasks, and monitor the project progress. So, and you click on save. So with that, at this point, you can change, you can give description to your board and also change the background here. Just click on this and do that. So how can you create? The next thing I want to show you is how you can how can you invite a team member? If you want to invite a team member to your board so that you can assign tasks, just go to this place. Just go to this place. Come to this members. So this is it. If you want to invite a team member to your, just go to members here, click on this plus button. You can give them any name. So I'm going to type my email address here, one email address here, and invite this person. So that's how you can invite your team members. Then this invitation will be sent. So once this person check his or her mail, so can you see, I just got the mail, then the person will just click on go to workspace. With this, you've been able to, that's how you can invite people to your Trello board, and you can assign tasks to them, do anything you want to do to them there. So that's how you can invite people. So let's say, for instance, we have created a we have created a card under the to-do list. So we now want to make the task a detailed task by providing more details to it, by giving it a description, giving it a deadline date, and all sorts of things. Deadline dates. We can even put a checklist on things that each of the person that is working on that project needs to do. So you just need to click on this. You need to click on this project like this. Once you click on this, can you see, you can add your description here. So let's say you want to add description to the project here, website design project. You can just put the person name here. Hi Adeshola. We are launching the web design projects, and you are assigned as a project manager on this. The project is set out to build the projects with this project, you can just put the client wants an e-commerce website. With this, you are providing more detail. You are providing an e-commerce website built with Shopify. So as you are giving this instruction now, Shopify, everybody knows Shopify, and so far they have 50 products in their catalog. So you are telling him that they want their e-commerce, because if you are building an e-commerce website, you can use Shopify, you can WooCommerce. You're also letting Adeshola know that, oh, they have 50 products on their catalog, so that they will know the numbers of products they are going to provide, they are going to create. So far, they have in their catalog. That's a lot. Full stop. So this is how you can provide description on a project. This is just a quick overview. We can do more. We can do more than this. So then you click on save. This is the description. You can write as many descriptions as you like. If you have attachments, if you have documents that will provide more guidance on this project that you are assigning to this person, just click on attachment here, paste the link. If you want to upload it from your computer, click on choose a file from your computer and assign it here. If you have a link, if it's a Google Doc link, just paste the link there and you upload it. Just come to this place and click on insert here. If you have that, if you want to select it from your computer, just select it. Let's say choose a file from your computer. Maybe you choose this. Is uploading file. Then can you see that the file is attached? So that's it. If you want to assign this project to, if you want to put a date, just put a date here. Maybe the deadline of the project is 2024 January. Then you do this. Then you click on save. If you want to, so you will see that we now have a due date for the project. So if you want to add members, so show others. So can you see I just invited this person. So you assign this project. If you want to add people to this project, just invite them the way I've shown you earlier. Then invite them to the card. Then assign the card to them. Join, add as many people that you have that you've invited to your project management board. Then add them to this Trello board, this card that you just created, and assign the project to them. If you want to create a checklist is just, let's say, strategy section. A checklist is just to monitor the progress of the project end to end. So the first step you want to have, if you want to build a website for a client, is maybe you want to have a strategy section or brainstorming section. Strategy/brainstorming section with the clients. You click on this. Can you see that we have this now? You can add another one. You can add another checklist by saying purchase, domain and hosting purchase. After you can add another checklist to your project, domain and hosting purchase. So this will guide these people to know the checklist of things they need to pick up and all those things. So if they don't finish this one, they will not move to this one. So content writer too, you can put another checklist, UX writing, UX design of the website, UX design of the website, UX design. Then you put it there. You can put as many checklists as you want. And can you see the progress of all the things we have been doing on our card so far? So that's how you can play around your card and give as many information as you can give, so that people working on this project, you can add as many documents that you need to add, so that anybody coming to this card, coming to work on this project, we see the list of informations you have provided, so that they will be able to read them. You can set deadlines, set checklists, add members, and do all sorts of things that you need to do. Then let's come here. So this is our project that we are working on. So I'm the project manager of this project. As I'm the project manager of this project, they've done this. This project is on to-do list right now. So we want to move it. We started to execute this project, and they started working on it. As the project manager, you can move this project here, just move it like this and move it to doing. If they started working on the project, once they finish the project, you can move it to done. And that's it. That's how you can just play around this one, play around this. Just click on it, move it to doing. When they start working on the project, once they are done, you move it to this place. So what can you do with Trello again? You can create another workspace here. You can create another workspace here. You can use another template. See, can you see different templates here? One-on-one meeting agenda, agile board templates, company overview, design undo, go-to-market templates, project management, and all. You can click on if you want to create another template, if you want to use another template aside this template that we have, you can click on create another template, give it a name, then you start working on it here right now. So if you add as many people, send an invite to people, as many people you have. If you send an invite to as many people and they've accepted your invite, you will see them, you will see everybody here. So I believe you've been able to gain value in this video. If you have any question on how you can use Trello, the Trello tool for your project management, you can drop a comment in the comment section. I will fix a one-on-one meeting with you to walk you through things you need to do. And if you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, I will encourage you to do that. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.